Exactly. That is what I said, sir. Yes. Sir, no. Just take it from me. The Lekki location can't work. It just won't work for the Lekki. I'll fix it, sir. Yes. Sir, please, can I call you back? I have a tiny little emergency to attend to. Yes, sir, thank you, sir. Who are you? What are you doing in my house? I said, who are you? Can't you talk?
It looked like this is a great for Lagos.
My friend, will you leave me alone? Come on, leave me. I have an emergency to attend to. Wait.
The north is so beautiful. And the food, ooh, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color.
Vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh. It smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your Dambo Shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
So that's it, honey. This is Nkemjika. She's the help Mama said to send us. Not that you ever pay me attention, but I did mention last night that she was going to be arriving this morning.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, welcome, Nkemjika. But I would like to know, why did you put me through that emotional trauma when I was really pressed? Eh? And how did you even get into the house?
Thank you, sir. But you know had me to enter here now. I still na key for under carpet. Now so I carry an open door.
Neka, how many times have I told you guys to stop keeping the key there? See what has happened now.
Okay, I'm sure you had a very long journey. Let you freshen up. But first, these are my children. This is Juju, Junior. This is AJ. AJ Junior meets Nkemjika.
Can we call Auntie Kim?
Oh, yes, you can. Auntie Kim. So show Auntie Kim to her room. When you're done, please join me in the kitchen so I can show you around. You know what to do now. No. Oh, what was that, AJ? Oh, you need my help with something? Okay. Mommy's coming. Well, here we are. Yes. Okay, another borrow.
Okay, now baby room be this back. What?
Baby. Which baby?
Baby now. When mommy born now, you ain't go stay now.
I'm pretty sure mom and dad are not planning to have a baby.
How do you know, Dr. AJ? Don't mind Auntie Kim. This is your room. You'll be sleeping here. Me? Blessed to have no know it's on at the talk. Wait, make her go ask mommy.
Ask mommy what?
Mommy, thank God say you don't come. If you say your children don't serve this house, so I tell them say I go sleep downstairs. They tell me say make her come baby room.
Baby's room.
She thinks she's having a baby, and that this is the baby's room. She wants to sleep on the cold, hard floor downstairs instead. Wait, life. Madam, I never sleep for this kind of fine room for my life. Eh? I'm not going to take comfortable. This bed will even blind me, sef.
Blind you, what? Calm down now, it's not that deep.
Shut up, man.
Is it too much to ask? Sir, mommy's talking. Like I said, it's not too much to ask that you stay in a comfortable room. So Juju and AJ did not make a mistake. This is your room. In fact, I want you to move in right now. No. Okay?
Mommy, you mean now?
I mean it now.
Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Not so
Yes.
good.
Okay. That's fine. You're welcome. You're welcome. So bathroom is this way. You can freshen up. Kids, let's give Auntie Nkem some time to settle in. This way.
Blindness.
Right.
Time blindness.
That one has a sharp end. All right. No.
Sir, with all due respect, it won't work. It just can't work, sir. 5 pillars are needed in that place. 3 pillars cannot work, sir. I understand your point of view, I understand your position, but you also need to hear me out as well. Yes, I'm looking for it as we speak. I just found it. Give me a moment. Good. Item number 5. 5 pillars needed. These are government building regulations. There's no workaround. Fix it? How do I can't. Hello?
Baby. What's got you so worked up? Huh?
It's those contractors. Those contractors, they just want to kill me. I can't take it anymore. I've had enough.
Wait. Slow down. Okay. What do you mean you can't take it anymore?
This project that I'm handling now, they want to, as always, cut corners, reduce costs so that they can put in their pocket. But I've highlighted the imminent dangers that will befall them if they do so, but yet they still want to go ahead. I am done. I can't take it anymore.
Baby.
Me, Shemo,
Boo-boo. Breathe. Relax. Okay. Now, you cannot just quit your career because you run into difficult clients. I think you should take this project as a lesson on patience. And so you can develop tougher skin because you will definitely run into much more difficult clients in the future.
Madam, the soup people for I don't go.
What's the meaning of this rubbish? So you don't know how to knock before you enter a room?
Sorry.
They didn't teach you about privacy.
And because of the soup now, why?
I don't care if the house is burning. You always knock before you enter any room, especially this one. You know?
Yes, madam.
Go and just run it under water and I'll be there.
Are you sure this girl will not even kill me with hypertension before the contractor succeed?
At least your sense of humor is still intact. That's some relief.
Barely.
There we go. You know, I have just the perfect thing to get you out of this mood.
Shock me.
There we go.
Shock me.
Can you ever be serious? Hey! How did this even happen? Where were you that you did not say that this food was burning?
Sorry, my be still arrange my load for baby room. My room upstairs. Now I know hear the smell.
What about Juju and AJ? Where are they?
They've been talking they won't go to the neighbor place, say they won't go play there.
Oh, think, Neka, think. Okay. I'll make another list. Okay. Okay, already have the Onga spices. That's not a problem. Okay, go to the neighbor's house and get AJ. Tell her to take you to the supermarket near the bus stop. In the next 1 hour, I want everything on this list. All right? I want to start on that bitter leaf soup.
Madam, this list is not complete though.
What do you mean the list is not complete?
Ogre no day na in the summer the taste of soup.
I don't think ogre is necessary. Just go, please.
Ah, madam, I'm not supposed to meet ogre now. Na in they make the soup, make it ginger way. Na in be the life of the party now.
Okay, just go and get everything on this list. I don't have time for this lecture, please.
Madam.
Hey, go change.
Suppose I goat meat to the beef we won't use now. Goat meat and beef, they're twin brothers and beef. Not to use one without using the other one. No, no.
Okay, Mjika.
Ma?
Did you give me money for goat meat?
No, ma.
Good. Now leave this place before I turn you into that goat meat you're talking about. Look at her. Did you even ask for money for those things on the list?
The north is so beautiful. And the food, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color.
Vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh. It smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your Dambo Shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
How's the best chef in the world doing today?
Barely managing to keep her head above water. You know how to start this soup from scratch.
Oh yeah? So sorry, honey. Well, but you're doing well. Ouch.
How was work?
Same old. These contractors won't give me the peace of day.
Oh, now I feel bad for what I'm about to do. Please, I need your help. Juju and AJ need your help. They have this school social studies project thing about Igbo culture. Please.
Igbo, I don't understand. You want me, Akinyele from Ogbomoso, to go and help the kids with an assignment on Igbo culture and to get it right now. You're the one from the East. Go and tackle it.
Please, no.
See, it's not going to work, man. I'm too tired, though. I had a long day.
Cooking now. How am I supposed to cook and then do this too now?
You can do it. Cook. Give me food. I've just been too stressed out today. And even if I want to think of helping them, I'm going to need some kind of help or something.
I feel
Jesus. How did you get here?
And how long have you been standing? Oh. Okay. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter. It's settled. You can please, you help the kids. You supervise them. Please, baby, please, please.
I'm tired. Traffic, everything. Somebody who can suffer outside, come to the house again and suffer. Inside suffer, outside suffer. It's my life about suffering.
Same.
Don't team me. I'm tired. I'm not doing it.
If you do this for me,
don't.
I will.
It's a lie. 419. What do you... You mean it? But wait, two. Make it 3. I'm having a day.
You want 3?
That's 3 for the road.
Done.
Hey!
3 big pieces of goat meat.
Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? You don't small Igbo. Yeah, let them know that I'm Igwe. Children.
Madam, what of me? I don't go collect 3 goat meat too. Sorry, ma.
So you mean the fighter who is able to put the other fighter on his back on the floor, on the ground wins?
Yes, nah. Even the loser not going to show face for the ghetto for the next few days. Shame we don't want join him well.
That's interesting. That's really interesting. Oh. Why would this one be calling somebody by this time of the night?
If it be emergency now.
Hello. Please, just hold on. Hold it right there. I do not appreciate the fact that you are calling me at this time of the day. And secondly, of course, I have every right to complain. I'm here spending quality time with my family, and we're about to retire for the day, and then your call comes in. Look, I have already told you that we cannot use those materials. They are cheap because they are of inferior quality. I know it's not my money, but does that mean... Hello? Hello? Ah!
Obim, Kiho.
I'm done. Okay, I'm just done. It's like these people are out to frustrate my every effort, my every move. They just... Look, I'm going to go there tomorrow morning and hand in my resignation letter. That's it. Can't take it anymore.
Me too, Dad. This Igbo project is very frustrating. There's so much about Igbo culture that I have to write, and I don't understand. Oh, me, I'm tired.
No, Junior. You don't just give up like that. You can't quit. It's not a good culture to imbibe, all right? The projects like this are just like your, homework exams. They're meant to challenge your psyche, your intellect. And if you really take time, patience to look inward, I'm sure you'll find out you can get it done.
Wasn't that what you just said?
Well, if you look at it technically, it's not the same thing, is it?
Isn't it?
It is.
Okay, I'll admit I probably was a bit hypocritical.
And can please go and check on the food? It's all right, honey. We all need a little bit of patience every now and again. Okay, take this bitter leaf soup I'm cooking, for instance. You really have to be patient if you really want to enjoy it.
I guess you're all right. And that is that is what you do. My beautiful, smart, intelligent, sexy, gorgeous wife. Reasons why I'm married.
Madam, the soup we put for fire, don't burn. Make her lower the gas.
Again? Oh, wait, let me listen to this girl. You need to correct my list now. You know how to do that.
Hello? What was that you were saying about patience again? Remind me?
It's a fine slipper.
Yes, black, fine Italian slippers. Not to break somebody's head.
Sure.
Yeah. Come here. We all make mistakes, okay? But it's up to us to retrace our steps and do the right thing. Patience.
Were you really going to quit your job?
Well, I'll think about it a bit more patiently.
Don't try yourself.